Hi, Munchkin. Wanna come say hi? Come say hi. No? Okay. That's my daughter. She's just walking around the camera. She's probably gonna be moving it. But anyways, welcome back to my channel. I have a haul, my first YouTube haul. My first YouTube haul. I am so excited. You guys are probably gonna be getting a lot of hauls because I love hauls. After watching cleaning videos and fashion videos, hauls are definitely in my top 5 videos to watch. I love them. Era, can you bring Era? Anyways, so make sure you hit that red button and you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'm gonna link everything in the description bar for you guys. So, well, whatever I can find, because I bought some stuff from HomeSense, but I'm sure I can find it online somewhere for you guys, or something similar. So if I don't find the exact thing, I'm gonna find something similar. But what should I start with? Okay, let's start with the clothes. I got a couple of baby stuff. This is probably the first thing I bought, and I'm due so soon, and I literally haven't bought anything, you guys. I am so unprepared for this baby. It's so ridiculous, but I am getting on it. I'm probably gonna do another haul soon because I'm probably gonna order a bunch of stuff within the next week or two. Definitely before this baby comes, because I need to put my hospital bag together, and I need to get a diaper. I just need everything, okay? So let's just get into this video. Okay, so I went to Gap. They were doing a sale. You know, Gap and Old Navy are always doing a sale. I actually should have went to Old Navy too. Wanna come up? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. She's like, who am I saying hi to? Want to help mommy do the haul? Huh? Yeah? Look what mommy got for baby. Okay. How freaking cute is this? This was, oh my gosh, you guys, this was $7.79. I think I got 30% off or something as well, because Gap was doing sale on their, they were doing sale on their sale. What's wrong? Oh, you getting sick? You getting sick, Mama? You like it? So yeah, this is from Gap. I freaking love it. I think it's so cute. If this girl will let me do this haul for you guys. And I also picked this up. It's a top and a bottom set. This was also on sale for $19, but I think I got it for 30% off as well. So this is, whoa, I got 6 to 12 months. This is gonna be way too big. I already know that my baby is gonna be super small. What else did I get? Oh, I got this for Era, for her. How cute are these joggers? Is that it for Gap? I think that's it for Gap. So like I said, I'm gonna try and link everything down below, but I love these. These are so cute. Hope you guys can see that. This one was also on sale too for $14, but I think I got like 30% off. Wanna go down? Wanna sit? Yeah, I think I also got these for 30% off as well, or 40% off. I don't remember, but yeah. So that's it for Gap, and then I went to HomeSense. I am trying to. You guys are going to see my pantry. I'm actually going to film a pantry cleanup video after this video that I'm filming right now, and I need to buy so much stuff for my pantry to organize it, because it is a hot mess in there. So I picked this up from HomeSense. This was $9.99 from HomeSense. I was actually gonna get a similar one on Amazon, and I think on Amazon it was like $1 more or something like that. So I will link the Amazon one down for you guys. It was pretty much the same price after taxes. So this is just one of those like step up thing. And this one, I think it extends. I'm not really sure yet, but I will show you when I'm putting it in my pantry. What are you singing? Are you singing? Yeah, she's singing. Okay, and I also picked this up from HomeSense. It's a drying mat. I have been wanting one of these for a long time, and this was only $6.99. I actually saw a really cute one on Amazon that was, I wanted to grab that one. It was like a marble and it was so nice, but I saw this one and I like the print on this one too, so I bought it. And this one was cheaper than the one on Amazon, but I will try and find something similar, or I will link the one on Amazon below. I honestly like the one on Amazon more, but I just saw this one. I'm like, this one is a little bit cheaper, so I just went ahead and bought this one. I don't know if you guys can see the prints, but yeah, it's just a drying mat. And the last thing what's wrong, Mama? Are you stuck? And the last thing I got was this Lazy Susan, also from my pantry. I've been looking for one of these. I also saw one on Amazon. It's exactly, and I'm pretty sure it's the same one, and I think it was the same price. Era. Yummy. Era. Look at her face. Anyways, so it's a Lazy Susan. I'm gonna be putting, this is going into my pantry. I actually kind of want one more of these to put in my fridge. I feel like I might need another one in my fridge, but this one is going to go into my pantry. Whoa! Alright, you're gonna fall, Mama. You wanna go down? Wanna go down? Okay, go bring Mommy the diaper. Here. Thank you. Go get it for Mommy. Go. No, diaper. Thank you. Era, look, I actually picked up just one box of diapers. This is the newborn size. It is the smallest size that you can find. I already know that my baby is going to be very small, so I bought one of these. I'm definitely going to need this for like the first month or two, so I'm definitely going to be picking up more. I'm going to try and see if I can get coupons or something from Pampers and see if I can get like a discount on them. But yeah, diapers, and the size is newborn. Okay, and I also went to IKEA. So if you guys saw my previous video that I did cleaning my son's room, I was saying that I'm trying to put his room together. I picked up a couple of pillows for him because his pillow is so flat. It's probably so uncomfortable for him. So I picked up 2 pillows. I didn't pick up pillow covers though, so I need to grab that. And I bought one of these like shelves that you can put like picture frames or books or whatever, but I think I might put his books on these. I'm not sure yet, but when I do put it up in his room, I will definitely show you guys. So I'm trying to put his room together. I'm trying to put my daughter's room together. I'm trying to put this baby's room together. Putting a lot of rooms together. But anyways, I also got him this for his bathroom. So he's currently using our bathroom. He doesn't use his because the shower rod in his broke. It broke like the first day we moved into this house. Honestly, it's like this really cheap one. So I actually need to go to Home Depot and grab this, like the shower rod, so I can hang this and have him go into his washroom, be in his room, because he's so used to being in our room. And then I bought these. I was thinking to put these in my laundry room. I also want to try and put my laundry room together because it is basically just bare right now with just my machines and a mess in there. But I picked up 3 of these to put in my laundry room. So I want one for my detergent, one for my Unstoppable, like the scent booster thing, and something else. But I picked up 3. I was thinking of spray painting the lid gold because I'm trying to do like a white and gold thing in there, but we'll see. I would love to get that done before this baby comes and have the laundry room organized, because you know with newborns you're going to be washing a lot of clothes. So I'm probably going to be in my laundry room a lot more than I am now, if that's even possible, but it's definitely possible because you guys know, all you mamas out there know that with newborns we wash a lot of clothes. So like I said, I picked up 3 of them, so I have 2 more here. What else? And then the last thing I got are these bins. I was thinking to put these in my pantry as well. I am probably going to need more of these. I also need to organize my master bathroom. It is a hot mess in my drawers, you guys. Oh my gosh. But I need to go to Dollarama or Dollar Store or something like that and see if I can get like smaller bins or whatever. But I was thinking to put these in my pantry and put like snacks or something in here. I'm not really sure yet, but these are definitely going to go into my pantry. And I also have a long shelf thing from IKEA. Maybe I should go grab it and come show you guys. That's also going in my son's room. That might go in my laundry room or my son's room. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna go grab it and come show you guys. But it's just like a long shelf thing that I was thinking to put in my son's room. I'll be right back. Okay, so I bought this lac. Turn it around. Ouch! Just scratched myself. This lac shelf thing. I was thinking to either put this in my son's room or in the laundry room, because I definitely need some shelving in there, but I don't know if it's like thick enough for the laundry room, so we'll see. But it might go into my son's room if it doesn't go to the laundry room. And yeah, I think that's about it, you guys. That's all I have for now. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button, and stay tuned for more. I have like 3 videos coming up very soon, and I know it's taking me a little bit longer to post videos, but that's because editing takes me so long, because my videos are so long when I film them, especially like my cleaning videos like this. I'll have like the next day I'll do, you know, like sitting there and talking videos, and they don't take that long to edit. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.